Hello everyone, hope you all had a good Christmas. It's Boxing Day 2017. I've had a little project that I've been working on over the last couple of days. Didn't work on it yesterday, Christmas Day, but have been working on it for the previous couple of days. Headed off to the hardware store and bought a sheet of structural ply, which I had cut down to two pieces, a metre wide by 75 centimetres long each piece, and brought them home, and I've had them hinged in the middle. They're just sitting here at the on the coffee table, and I'll open it up and we'll have a look. So what we've got is a simple oval of track, be a good test track, it's what I wanted. And its second radius curves. The two plywood sheets are hinged in the middle, as you can see. What I did was I used some old steel track that I had to make a join here. It looks a little bit crooked, and in actual fact I'll need to brace it to bring it back to join. Actually, there it goes, much better. Probably a little bit of tinkering required. Slight pause, but as you can see, the join here is pretty tight. Use old steel track so that if anything went wrong, wasn't really going to sort of be too sad about losing a couple of pieces of old track. As you can see, I've bridged the electrical connection with a couple of joining wires that have just been soldered to the track, and in the same place I've used a piece of flex, sort of lighting cable flex. I like to use that. Nice decent gauge of wire, again just soldered to the track, and you can see I've also included an old Hornby right hand point just to test locomotives going over them. I know people criticise these points and being unreliable or no electrical connection, but they're a good way to test it. You can see that that point's been bridged by soldering those Hornby clips so that the point is live for DCC. Other than that, pretty happy with it, and I'll set it up, and we'll have a look at something running on it. Sitting around here on the siding is the New South Wales Government Railways 41 class, 4107, and let's see how she goes. No problems over that join. None over that one. I'll stop her there. Reverse direction. No problem over the point or over that joined rail, and around she goes. Okay, so the locomotive's sitting in the siding almost up against the stops. Two New South Wales S-wagons, they're like a die-cast kit-built pair of wagons, and a New South Wales SHG brake van, and we'll propel that out onto the line and see how she goes. stopper there, change the point, change direction. No trouble over the point, no trouble over the join. Very smooth locomotive actually. Apparently a lot better in model form than they were in real life.